Understanding Stealth Drone Flyby. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to demystify a fascinating phrase that you might come across in news or technology discussions: stealth drone flyby. This topic is not only interesting but also sheds light on modern technological advancements and how they're described in English. Let's dive in and understand what each word means and how they come together to form a meaningful concept. In this section, we're going to break down the phrase, stealth drone flyby, into its components to understand the meaning of each word. Stealth. The word, stealth, refers to the act of moving or proceeding in a covert way, avoiding detection. In technology and military contexts, stealth often describes the ability of an aircraft or vehicle to avoid radar detection, making it essentially invisible to enemies or observers. Drone. A drone is an unmanned aircraft or vehicle operated by remote control or onboard computers. Drones are used for various purposes, including surveillance, photography, and even in combat scenarios. Flyby. A flyby refers to the action of flying past a specific point or object, especially closely and quickly. In space exploration, for example, a flyby is when a spacecraft passes closely by a planet or moon to collect data. Now that we understand the individual components, let's look at what stealth drone flyby means when the words are put together. A stealth drone flyby refers to an instance where an unmanned aircraft, equipped with technology to avoid detection, stealth, flies past a certain point or object. The key aspects of this phrase are undetectability and proximity. This term often appears in military contexts, where such maneuvers are critical for surveillance without alerting the opposition. Understanding phrases like stealth drone flyby is crucial not just for those interested in military or aviation technology but for anyone keen on understanding how English evolves with technological advancements. It's a perfect example of how new terms are constantly created to describe innovations in science and technology. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning of stealth drone flyby and expanded your English vocabulary in a fun and informative way. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the context in which they're used. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases and words with you in our future videos.